Hey guys. Today's episode is classic Caillou misbehaves on a trip to Australia/grounded. Enjoy!
Classic Caillou, today we are going to Australia.
No, I don't want to go to Australia, I want to go to Iraq.
No, Classic Caillou, we are going to Australia and that's final.
Fine.
Get in the car now.
No Dad, I'm going to Iraq. Bye Dad, I'm going to Iraq.
Classic Caillou, I swear to God if you don't come back you will be grounded.
Fine.
Okay, we are about to go. Did anyone forget anything? Well, I didn't.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't.
No I didn't. No I didn't. Hey, Caillou, why does your seat have a toy behind Dad? Ouch! Dad, Classic Caillou hit me.
Classic Caillou, how dare you slap Caillou? You have 15 strikes, this is your first one, 14 more than you're grounded.
Wanted to extend the lot cause why not? Can I go back home?
No, Classic Caillou. You'll be grounded if you can't be happier.
Hey, don't tell me to behave. That's it, I will push you out of the car.
No, don't. Help me, I'm falling. Ah! Ow, 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 ow. That hurts.
Classic Caillou, how dare you push Rosie off the car? That's it, you get your second strike, 13 more than you're grounded.
2 hours later.
Oh, my gas is low. Let me fill it up.
And I want some snacks.
Okay.
After Boris filled up the gas and got the kids snacks, I'm going to eat my powdered donut. Uh-oh! I accidentally dropped it. Now it's everywhere in the back. Dad, why'd you stop the car?
Because you dropped your donut, and it made a mess. This is your third strike, 12 more than you're grounded.
A few minutes later. Oh no! That music means that I have to go to the bathroom. Oh no! 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 Oh no!
Classic Caillou, shut up or you'll get your fourth strike.
But I can't hold it anymore.
Fine. I'll just stop at the bathroom.
I'm done, but you know what? I'm just gonna pretend I'm stuck in the stall.
Alright Classic Caillou, let's go back in the car.
Help me. I'm stuck in the stalls.
Let me try. Huh. Why is it not working?
Go to Australia without me.
Stop joking around the Classic Caillou, open the door now.
No, I can't. Okay, fine. I already opened the door.
Now you got your fourth strike. Actually, you know what? You get 3 strikes for not opening the door forcefully. 8 more than you're grounded.
Ugh.
Okay, we are at the airport. Let's go in.
Welcome to the Australia security check-in. Let me check your suitcase. You're good to go, sir.
I'm next.
Let me check your suitcase. You're good to go, ma'am. I'm next. Let me check your suitcase. You're good to go, kid.
Me next.
Let me check your suitcase. You're good to go, ma'am. I'm next. Let me check your suitcase.
Not again. What did you put in your suitcase this time?
A military gun from World War II?
Classic. Gail. Lou. How dare you put a gun in your suitcase? That's it, you get your 9th strike, 6 more than you're grounded.
Welcome to the airport. Where would you go to?
I would like to go to Australia.
That will be $1,200.
Here you go.
Thanks for paying. You can go to the airport. Hey, give me that window seat right now. No, it's my seat. Wow. Dad, classic Caillou pushed me to the other side.
Classic. Gail. Lou. How dare you push Caillou again? That's it, you get your 8th strike, 7 more than you're grounded.
5 days later.
We are here. By the way, the reason why the color a little loss, because it's 6:30 a.m.
Are we going to McDonald's?
Yes. But after we put our stuff in our hotel and find a hotel in Australia.
Welcome to the Australian hotel. Insert card here.
Okay.
Your room is room 69. After they went to their room, put all their stuff in the room, and went to McDonald's. Hey, there's one more fry left. I might get it. No, I'll get it. Hey, give it back. Yes, I got it. Not again. Wah! Dad, classic Caillou fought me from the last fry, and he got it.
Classic. Gail. Lou. If you don't stop fighting with Caillou, I will automatically ground you.
Later. Man, this hotel is so boring. What should I do? I know. I'm gonna drive our car at possibly 1 meter miles per hour speed. Ha 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 ha. Here we are. Let's start driving this car. Ha 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 ha. Let's go. Bye bye Australia, because I don't want to see those stupid deadly spiders. Time to go supersonic speed. Let's put on some. Uh-oh, I'm spinning. I think I'm about to crash. This school bus looks very clean, right, robot?
Right, Samir. I definitely agree.
We got news today. A 12-year-old kid with a gray shirt and bald head got into a car crash with a school bus carrying 23 children home. 19 students survived and 4 had to get rushed to the hospital.
Ugh. Wait, where am I?
You're in jail because you crashed into a school with children inside. Besides, you killed 4 students. Don't worry, your dad will talk to you for a bit.
Classic. Fricking. Gail. Lou. How dare you drive my car and crash into a school bus, killing 4 children? That's so it. You are grounded, 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 grounded forever. I'm never gonna unground you ever again.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked, subscribed to shared. Goodbye!